pretty. He'll bite you.
Mozambique, a place where the ocean never sleeps, and every sunrise brings a new adventure. Today, Lloyd and his friend Travis head to the shores of Ponta do Ouro in search of powerful fish, crystal clear water, and unforgettable memories. From spinning off the rocks for hard-fighting kingfish to exploring the underwater world filled with rays, turtles, and hidden sea life. This is more than just fishing. This is the wild side of Mozambique.
So this is second point. Trav's going for a little cast here. We'll see, maybe we'll catch a little kingy. Yeah, we have our Travis spinning here for little jeets, little kingies. Oh, Travis on! Hey, fast puppy! Oh, Trav! Travis fast, puppy fast! What you got? Hey, Trav! Bigger! Nice! Hey, wild puppy, wild! Nice little bigger kingy. Nice. Beautiful.
Lekker.
Nice one, Trav. Wild puppy, wild. Gonna release him. Pass again. Oh, Trav. Oh, Vulture! Another one, Vulture. Let's see that little mother. Yeah, they're beautiful. Beautiful little fish.
Your turn.
No, bust.
No,
I'll
I'm
take
done.
video.
No, you know, it's your turn.
Yeah. Release him. Oi.
Here, little guy. You can make it out from there.
And there he goes.
There we go.
Lady!
Oh, puppy. Oh, you got a garfish.
I felt it.
In Fiji, we chow those things sometimes.
Yeah, they got green meat.
Yeah, green meat and blue bones.
What is that thing?
Cool, eh? So pretty.
He'll bite you.
Chow you.
No.
Like a snake.
Yeah.
So cool.
Let it go.
Get another one.
Oh, puppy. Travis got a fish again.
Too many garfish.
Chasing him.
Maybe it's the same one.
No, the other one was bigger than this one. He wants it.
After hours of fishing under the hot Mozambique sun, the heat became intense. The wind had dropped. The rocks were warming up fast, And with the fishing slowing down for the middle of the day, Lloyd and Travis decided it was the perfect time to take a break from the rods and cool off in the waters of Ponta do Ouro. With clean blue water rolling onto the shoreline and the sound of the waves echoing along the coast, the swim was the perfect escape from the midday heat. For a while, the focus shifted away from fishing and onto simply enjoying the incredible surroundings that make Mozambique so special. Floating in the warm ocean, surrounded by untouched coastline and endless views of the Indian Ocean, it was a chance to slow the day down and take everything in. But the break didn't last forever. After cooling off and getting some energy back, Lloyd and Travis made their way back onto the rocks, picked up the rods once again, and prepared for another afternoon session along the coast of Ponta do Ouro.
Oh, Travis!
Good morning.
Jumping brim! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! One jumping brim! Travis is fast with a jumping brim! A Mozambique jumping brim! Yeah. Where is that snake? Yo, big one.
Big one.
Hey! Alright. Nice fish. Go, puppy. So we have second point. Travis bought a garfish. And yeah, we're trying to get a little kingy, so yeah, hopefully we're gonna get one. It's also a good spot here. In the white water here, lots of little kingies, bluefin kingies. Yes, and he catches that thing on that rod. Yeah, we have the local fishermen. Oh, stone bream!
Tunbridge, Lisa.
Hey, me and old Smashley going to snorkel around second point here. We'll take you guys there. Look how beautiful it is today.
As the afternoon heat continued to rise along the coastline, Lloyd and Ashley decided to head over to the second point of Ponta do Ouro for a relaxing snorkeling session in the clear, warm water. With the sun high above and barely any wind around, the ocean looked calm and inviting. Perfect conditions to get into the water and escape the intense heat of the day. Leaving the fishing gear behind for a while, they made their way across the rocks and into the sea, surrounded only by the sound of waves rolling onto the point. The crystal clear water, endless visibility, and peaceful atmosphere made the experience feel completely different from the fast-paced fishing earlier in the day. For a moment, everything slowed down. Just the ocean, the warm tropical water, and another unforgettable moment in Ponta do Ouro. Was time to slow things down and see what lies beneath the surface. The waters around Ponta do Ouro are known for their beauty, and once underwater, it's easy to understand why. Schools of colorful fish moved through the reefs like clouds in the sea. Elegant rays glided silently across the sand below. A sea turtle passed calmly through the blue, completely unbothered by our presence. Hidden among the rocks were rock lobsters, tucked safely into their reef homes. Every corner of the reef revealed new life, a world most people never get to see. Fighting fish on the shoreline to peaceful moments beneath the waves, Mozambique delivered another unforgettable day. Fishing, friendship, adventure, and the beauty of the ocean all in one place. Until the next trip, the adventure continues.
There's a whole bag full of tricks. Spoons, some jig. How's this so good? That's the first time I see something like that. New invention.